Let's break down it into steps. 1. Swing the crotch area. 2. Swing the sides together. 3. Double fold the bottoms. 4. Swing the inseams. 5. Swing elastic band. Take both the front pattern. Keep it together right side facing right side. And sew the crotch area which is in J-shaped. Now, repeat the same procedure for back part of pants. Now, we have our front side attached to front and back side attached together. After that, keep front and back part facing right side on right side. And sew both the outer ends of pants both left and right. Double fold the bottom like this. And sew the inseams of pants. We have almost completed our pant. Last step is to put elastic waistband. We have separate video on how to put and finish elastic waistbands, do check it out. And we are done. Thanks.